Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's 2 Mobile. Your main goal is to survive 5 nights from midnight to 6 a.m. You will monitor security cameras, manage a music box, and use a Freddy Fazbear mask. Keep a close eye on the vents and main hall. Quick reflexes and sound management of your resources are key to making it through each night. Let's dive into the essential mechanics. Dealing with animatronics requires specific actions. When Foxy appears in the main hall, flash your flashlight at him several times to make him retreat. For animatronics like Bonnie, Chica, and Toy Freddy, quickly put on your Freddy Fazbear mask when they enter your office. The puppet is managed solely by winding the music box. Pay close attention to sound cues. They often signal an animatronic's approach from the vents or hallway. Effective resource management is crucial for survival. Your flashlight has a limited battery, so use it only when necessary, such as checking the hall or vents. The music box is a top priority. If it unwinds completely, the puppet will attack. Constantly check the 2 side vents and the main hall camera. Balancing these tasks while fending off animatronics is the core challenge of the game. Stay vigilant and manage your power wisely. To master 5 Nights at Freddy's 2, learn the distinct patterns of each animatronic. Some move quickly, others slowly. Develop lightning-fast reflexes for putting on the mask or flashing your light. Pay close attention to the audio. Distinct sounds indicate which animatronic is in the vents or approaching. For example, a specific static sound means an animatronic is in the left vent. Anticipation and quick responses will significantly increase your chances of surviving all 5 nights.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.